The Fustar steerable introducer from LifeTech Scientific is an introducer used for the percutaneous interventional vascular procedures and available for both peripheral and congenital intervention treatments. Fustar introducer for peripheral intervention is comprised of steerable introducer, sheath, and dilator. For more product specifications, please refer to the provided materials. To begin the procedure, using side arm of the valve, flush the steerable sheath by filling the steerable sheath completely with heparinized saline. Meanwhile, flush the dilator with heparinized saline and continue this operation until all bubbles are eliminated. Wipe the dilator to ensure it moves smoothly through the sheath. The design of Fustar peripheral intervention device features a snap hub. In order to retrieve the dilator, bend it slightly at the end point and continue to pull it back. In order to steer the deflectable tip, the dilator must be retrieved at least 80 mm from the sheath before manipulating the sheath for proper tip deflection. When the sheath is fully inserted with the dilator, the tip can't be deflected. The tip can then be deflected by rotating knob clockwise to achieve the desired angle. Please note, before advancing the introducer sheath, unscrew rotating knob of Fustar to make deflection tip straight and insert the dilator fully inside the sheath. When the sheath and dilator combination arrives at target area, withdraw the dilator and then deflect the tip. Fustar used in renal artery intervention surgery. Aspirate and flush the sidearm hemostatic valve until all bubbles are eliminated through three-way valve and then lock it. Fustar 800. Fustar introducer for congenital heart disease is comprised of several components, including deflectable sheath, dilator, hemostatic valve, loader, and delivery cable with length of 80 mm. Before opening the package, please refer to the IFU to ensure the inner diameter (ID) of sheath is suitable for the maximum diameter requirement of the device. To begin the procedure, through the side arm of the valve, flush the steerable sheath by filling the steerable sheath completely with heparinized saline. Meanwhile, flush the dilator with heparinized saline. Flush until all bubbles are eliminated. Wipe the dilator to ensure that the dilator moves smoothly through the sheath. Insert the dilator completely into the sheath and turn the rotating lure on the dilator clockwise to lock the components together, and then advance both into the body via the puncture point along the guide wire. When the sheath and dilator combination arrives at the target area, unscrew lure and withdraw the dilator approximately 80 mm from the tip for deflection. Flush the three-way valve until all bubbles are eliminated and then lock the three-way valve. Preparation of occluder. Screw the hemostatic valve and the loader together tightly. Holding finger to plug the tip of hemostatic valve, flush the loader through the three-way valve. Insert the cable through the hemostatic valve and loader, rotate and adjust three-way valve to one proper degree of tightness. Immerse the occluder in heparinized saline, then screw the occluder on cable tightly. Immerse the occluder again in heparinized saline and retrieve it into the loader. Leave the tip of the occluder outside the loader, about 3 to 5 mm. Screw the hemostatic valve to one suitable tension. Inject heparinized saline through the three-way valve unit until all bubbles are eliminated from the loader. Insert the loader assembly with occluder into the introducer sheath. Screw the lure and ensure tight connection. Advance the occluder through the delivery cable. When deploying the left disc, rotate the hand clockwise for deflecting the Fustar tip to appropriate angle position. Withdraw Fustar to make sure the left disc adheres interarterial septum closely, and then keep cable steady. Retreat Fustar to release right disc in the right atrium. Release the cable and retrieve delivery system. Please note, for occluder retrieval, Fustar tip angle should be recovered to 0 degree from deflection. Application of Fustar for peripheral artery intervention treatment. Difficult advance access and cross-mountain application. Cross-mountain for embolic femoral artery. Cross-mountain for embolic iliac artery. Applications of branch artery intervention treatment. Application of renal artery. Application of celiac artery. Application of mesenteric artery. Application of carotid subclavian artery. Deflected Fustar enters into inner and outer carotid arteries to build guiding access and deliver devices. One sheath for multiple applications. Release occlude in aortic dissection. Enter renal artery after occluder releasement. Retrieval of VSF. Application in EVAR. AAA stent graft contralateral limb connection with cuff. Guide fenestration between true and false lumens.